Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shah Faisal Sheikh. This is your go-to channel for making sense of the latest AI tools and trends. Today we are answering two big questions. What is artificial intelligence or AI? Which AI chatbot is the best? We will look at ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini and more, explaining what each one is good at and in simple language. If you are new to AI, don't worry, I will make it super easy to understand. Let's get started. Let's start with the basic. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. That's just a fancy way of saying smart computers. These are computer programs that can do things that usually needs human thinking, like answering questions, having conversation, or even creating pictures and stories. A simple example is, imagine you're texting a friend, but instead of a real person, you are chatting with a super smart bot that can answer almost anything. That's what AI chatbots can do. How does AI work? Think of AI as a student who learns by reading lots and lots of books, websites, and articles. The more it reads, the better it gets at answering your questions. So why are AI chatbots so popular nowadays? AI chatbots have become super popular because they can answer questions quickly, help with homework or work tasks, write emails, stories, or even jokes. You can find information faster than searching the web yourself. But not all chatbots are the same. Some are better at certain things than others. Let's meet the most popular chatbots and see what they are best at. Our first AI chatbot is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is like a helpful friend who is great at chatting, explaining things, and being creative. So, what is ChatGPT is best at? It can write story, poems, or jokes. It can explain things in simple words. It can also give you detailed answers and step-by-step guides. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to create a funny story about a robot and a cat. So, can you write a funny story about a robot and a cat? So, as you can see, the ChatGPT is writing a story about a robot and a cat, and you can see you can create a funny stories to tell your friends or any information you want. You can ask from ChatGPT; it will help you. Even if you want to summarize a storybook, you can just paste the story and it can summarize you in simple words, like what that book is all about. Our next in the list is Perplexity AI. So Perplexity AI is a super fast researcher. It can search the internet for the latest information and always tells you where it found and its answers. Perplexity AI is best at is giving up-to-date info like news or recent events, showing you links and sources for its answers, helping with research or fact-checking. For example, let's ask about what's the latest news about AI in 2025. So Perplexity will find the newest articles and show you where it got the info from, and it will summarize it and give you the answer. So as you can see, these are the links where it got info from, and you don't have to go to Google and try asking Google and you have to go through every link. You just have to go to Perplexity and it will query your every question. As you can see, the key trends table, Perplexity also drew a table for me. So our third in the list is Gemini. Gemini is Google's own chatbot. It's really good at finding information because it's connected to Google search. Gemini is best at finding facts quickly, working with different types of questions, example text, images, or even voices. You can also integrate Gemini with Google tools you already use. For example, let's ask Gemini, show me a picture of, uh, let's say, the Eiffel Tower and tell me a fun fact Just press enter. So yeah, so it showed me a picture, and here is a fun fact. The Eiffel Tower can change height depending on the temperature. It grows or shrinks by about 6 inches. If you want a creative writing or easy explanation, you can use ChatGPT. If you need the latest news or sources, you can try Perplexity. And already use Google a lot and want fast facts, just use Gemini. Remember, you can try all of them for free and see which one you like best. AI chatbots are getting smarter every day. Soon they will help us with even more tasks at work, in school, and at home. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy to understand AI videos. Comment below which chatbot do you want to try first. If you have already used one, what did you think? Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.